Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about the staircase with stringer beam. From this video you will learn the process of scaffolding, shuttering, rebar fixing and staircase landing, shuttering and staircase concrete. First of all, we check the staircase alignment by surveyor. Survey give the coordinate point of staircase. Then we make the alignment and fixed the scaffolding. Then we set the beam shuttering. Here you see we already fixed the scaffolding and beam bottom shutter. So when we do this we have to check the level all time. If bottom level is done, then we will put the lever on the bottom shutter. So here you see already we fixed scaffolding and bottom shutter, and here also you will see here have one footing column of staircase. So first of all we concreting this column, then fixed all shutter and scaffolding. So when our bottom shutter will be fixed, then we will fix rebar. So here already we fixed the beam rebar of staircase. This beam rebar is called stringer beam. This staircase have only one beam, that's why this beam called mono stringer beam. Here you see then we fixed the bottom shutter of staircase, where that means west slab bottom shutter. Then we are fixing the bottom rebar of staircase. When we will fix the rebar, we have to follow the drawing. Here our steel fixer are fixing the rebar. This staircase have 4 landing. Here is one landing and middle portion have 2 landing and top portion 1 landing. Here we are fixing the weight slab rebar. When our weight slab rebar will be fixed, then we will fix the strip rebar fixing. That means riser slab we will fix. Here you see manpower are fix the beam side shutter. When beam side shutter will fixed, we have to carefully the shutter, because if shutter don't fixed carefully, then when we concrete pouring, shutter may be collapsed. So here you see the riser shutter fixing already finished. So riser, river and shutter when fixed, then we will check all the process, that means scaffolding complete or not, beams bottom okay or not, side shutter okay or not, then our river okay or not, then riser shutter we will check. If all inspection will be okay, then we will take preparation for concrete powdering.